I have met many people in my life that have been my teachers, and one important teacher was my physical therapist when I was recovering from a serious hockey injury, which found me paralyzed from the neck down for an extended period of time. And I was in the hospital, and my nerves were beginning to start to spasm. And she came in, and I thought not much of her, that I could do this on my own because I was an athlete. Well, she took a half a pound beanbag and put it in my hand and said, "Lift this beanbag up, David." And I couldn't do it. And she looked at me and she says, "To think you can do something on your own without the help of other people is naive and probably ignorant." And I'll never forget that. Those were almost her exact words, and I'm writing about this in a memoir. But Patricia, her name comes up frequently about how someone can teach you something in a very quick and concise period of time.